Good morning, everyone. Okay, we are here for best result. Okay, because of your chapter reproduction in animals. Okay, now, okay, in this chapter we are a study about the reproduction. Okay, we know we are a study from the seventh standard. What is the reproduction? Reproductions means the production of same individual, same species, that things are same as one the produced by the animal plant, that is called reproduction. Okay, that all things means when any living organism producing similar as one, that is also reproduction. But there are some processes involved in the reproduction. Which are that? What is the importance of reproduction? Okay, that all things are necessary for the purpose of your examination. Why we must want to study about the reproduction, and what is the need of study the reproduction? Okay, you think, okay, there is the no generations. Okay, there is this when some critical problems to in a reproduction. Okay, imagine what would have happened if organism has not reproduced, means that all questions regarding your imaginations and regarding your final examinations, whether we are facing examination, that all questions are up front of you. Okay, now all things when we are seen in collective form, that alls are most important. Okay, now we are starting here our new chapter, that is the reproduction. Okay, okay, here our first point is that mode of reproduction. Okay, okay, we have when we are traveling in our surrounding, we well find out some uh, chicks. Okay, newborn chicks, new puppies. Okay, uh, kittens, that all young one. Okay, when we are have find out, we have like that puppies. Okay, we catch it and doing or playing with them. Why? Because the small one is a very attractive. Okay, when we have seen, let's one example is here. Everyone like new babies. Okay, newborn babies, sorry. Huh? Everyone like babies, but anyone like old mans? Okay, no. Maximum time that was happen. Okay, when we have seen any cute baby, we can pick the baby and take a kiss of that baby. But any any incident there is happen with a old person. Okay, anyone taking the kiss of the old persons? Okay, whether it is looking very cute? No, there is not a possible. Why? Because of the old age. Okay, that's why this chart for you. Okay, animal and young one. Okay, you can write the those are blank here. Human, the young one is baby. Cat, we know. Puppies. Okay, dog, there is the puppies, means you can fill up the that chart. Okay, next point is that the which are the modes of reproduction in animals. Okay, there is a two types of mode in two types of modes there are in animals, that are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, okay, there is the two basic parts. There are the in animals, and a female having a different reproductive parts, different reproductive organs in the animals. Means whether there is, we are dividing the animals in two category, there is male and female. Okay, that's why the male also having the different reproductive organ, and female also having different reproductive organ or a different reproductive part. Okay, like plants also, there is also having different reproductive organs, different reproductive parts, same as it is here. The the productive part in animals also a productive gametes, produce gametes. Animals also producing gametes. We are study in 7th standard, there are two types of gametes. Okay, male gametes, female gametes. Okay, male gametes when also fuse to form, means two types of gametes when fuse, there is a formation of a zygote. Okay, it is the zygote which develop into a new individual, we know that. Okay, first step is the reproduction. In the reproduction there is the production of a zygote, and after that there is the production of the individual. Okay, this type of a reproduction being from the fusion of a male and female. A gametes is called reproductive sexual reproduction. Okay, let's which are the parts are divided into two category, which are the organs that are we are study here: male reproductive organ and female reproductive organs. Male reproductive organ are including a pair of testes, a singular testis, two sperm duct and penis. Okay, 9.1 we have one diagram is here. The testis produce the male gametes called sperm. A million of a sperm produced by the testis, like 9.2 here. Okay, this is the diagram. The diagram also divided into three category: head, middle piece and tail. Means a particular sperm having the head, middle piece and tail. It is a very small in size. Okay, it is looking a very small in size. Okay, diagram is big because when we have drawn diagram is very small, you are not able to see. Okay, that's why that diagram is drawn very big. Okay, like here: head, middle piece and tail. Does appear a single cell? It is a single cell. Okay, it is one type of a cell here. Okay, this is the part. A sperm duct, two sperm duct are here. One long elongated part, that is the penis, and this is the testis. Okay, male reproductive organ in a human being. Okay, now this is the sufficient for today. Okay, okay, today we are stop here. Next chapter we will continue tomorrow. Our next point is a female reproductive organ, that was continue in tomorrow's period. Okay, now we are stop here. Okay, hello everyone. In our last period we are study about the mode of reproduction. In that two types of mode: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Okay, in this period we are study about the okay uh, female reproductive organ. In the last period we are study about the male reproductive organ. In that, which are the male reproductive organ, we are study about it. Okay, the male reproductive organs are, which are that here. Okay, the part of testis, singular testis, two sperm duct and penis, that are the okay part of the our male reproductive organ. Okay, here we are well identify. This is the sperm duct. Okay, this one and this one, two sperm duct are here. Okay, now this is the elongated part, that is the penis. Okay, and that are the testes. Okay, here. Okay, and the sperm, human sperm, is divided into three part. This is the head, middle piece and tail. Okay, in this period we are study about the female reproductive organ. Okay, now the female reproductive organs are a pair of ovary. Okay, which are the pair of ovary? Here we are clearly seen, these are the two pairs. Okay, this one and left side and right side. Okay, pair of ovaries, oviduct. Okay, here is the oviduct. Okay, means that is the fallopian tube. This is the elongated part, it is the fallopian tube. Okay, and third one is urethra. Okay, this all part is a urethra. Okay, this is the female reproductive organs. Okay, in human. Okay, the female gametes called ova. Female gametes are called ova. In a human being, a single matured egg is released into a oviduct. Okay, by one of the ovary every month. Okay, means here every month there is the one egg is released. Okay, in oviduct here. Okay, and urethra, it is the part where a develop of the baby take place. Okay, in urethra, babies take place in urethra here. Okay, every month there is a one egg is produced here. Okay, in oviduct every month there is a one fresh egg is produced in oviduct, and in urethra there is a development of the baby. Okay, and this is the human ovum nucleus. Okay, means today we are stop here because we are study here female reproductive organ and male reproductive organ. Tomorrow we will continue with a fertilization. Okay.